to my channel. My name is Jason and I'm going to pick up my epipens. Let's go. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jason and we're going to use these epipens to help me be safe. So I'm going to bring out the real epipens and the fake one. So here are the real ones. They look like this. And they just look like the same. If you do not know which one if they look the same, it has these little tiny holes. It has 2 holes, and we're also going to show you how to use these epipens. Let's go. So first place, you take out the epipen blue part. Then you click it for 3 seconds on your outer side. Then you say 1, 2, 3. Then you let go. You rub it for a few seconds. And then you call a hospital. I hope you like the channel. Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and hit the thumbs up.